Welcome to our series of short videos. In this video, we'll focus on the document version history that Microsoft 365 automatically maintains and how to leverage it. Documents uploaded to Teams to enable sharing and collaboration are technically stored in SharePoint. They're automatically managed in such a way that only participants in a team have access to the files contained within the team. As a byproduct of this, a history of all changes made to files is saved automatically. The net effect is that you can view a history of all the saved versions of a file, and you can revert to previous versions. Let's see this in practice. In Teams, I'll go to the M365 training team and into the collaboration demo channel. Here, I'll click on the Files tab and drill down into the Dummy Docs folder and into the Just a Test subfolder. Now, I can see the document that Chen and I worked on. I'll open the document. We neglected to add a heading at the beginning of the document, so I'll add a heading line right at the start. I'll change to Classic ribbon, which I prefer working with, and set the style to heading 1. Because we are working in the cloud, changes to the document are saved in near to real time. I do not have to explicitly save the document. In fact, we can see that the document has just been saved. What I can also see up there is a link to the version history of the file. Version history pane opens on the right, showing me the versions of this document which have been previously saved. Selecting version shows the state of the document at that date and time. It can also show the changes from previous versions, similar to track changes in Word. We can see 3 versions of this document, including the original version from before Chen and I started collaborating. Each one of the previous versions can be saved as an additional separate document. We can also revert to that version, which will roll back the document to the state of the selected version. Thank you for watching this video. Try using the version management features of Teams to see how they manage backups for you. Search for more videos to find out more about how Microsoft 365 can help you.